Namaste everyone. Hi, this is Trupti again. Welcome back to my channel. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate should be the slogan. As there is an art of eating, there is an art of drinking water also. Human body consists of trillions of cells and 75 to 80% of cells live in water, contains water. Our human body has many components, and each component, whether it is a blood, saliva, serum, mucus, nasal secretion, urine, sweat, everything contains water. In fact, for the human body functions like metabolism, digestion, weight loss, everything needs water. Even from the childhood, from school days, we have learned that you should consume about 8 to 10 glasses of water, 2 to 3 liters of water. Considering the how important the water is for the human body, it is very important to be mindful of the way we drink water. So in this video, let us understand, let us find out the tips how to consume water and get the maximum benefits of it. Let's learn the art of drinking water. Number 1, sit and drink water. It is advisable to sit and drink water because the muscles and nervous system is relaxed when you are sitting. So the absorption of water is much better in the body. Even kidney filtration is good. So, but if there are no opportunity of sitting and drinking water, you can stand and drink water but consume the water slowly. But the best advice is to sit and drink. Avoid consuming too large volume of water at one go. Like I have seen many people indulging into bottles of water at one go. Like one and a half bottle they finish at one go. When you do that, when you consume a large amount of water, the air passage is blocked and it might lead to heart and lung issues in the long run. Avoid having chilled or cold water. Chilled water disturbs the digestion. It puts off the fire and it also decreases the blood supply. Whereas the warm water maintains the digestive fire and also helps in better digestion. It is advisable to consume glass of water 30 to 45 minutes before your meal and 45 minutes to 1 hour after your meal. Avoid consuming water during the meal because it dilutes your digestive acids, leading to disruption in your digestion process, which results in indigestion, flatulence, gastric issues, bloating, and so on. You can also keep a tab on the indicators the body shows when you are dehydrated. For example, when you're dehydrated, the lips and the tongue starts getting dry. The color of your urine changes to dark pale yellow. Whereas if you are hydrated, so if you see the color of the urine is changing to yellowish, then try to consume water, more and more water. If you are hydrated, the color of the urine is clear. I would suggest you to consume a water in copper, silver or glass vessel because copper has an antioxidant, antibacterial properties which boost your immunity. It also balances the three doshas as per the Ayurveda, the Vata, Pitta and a Kapha dosh. But I would not suggest you to consume water throughout the day in the copper bottle because too much of copper is also bad for your health. So maybe in the morning you can take a glass or two, keep the water in the copper bottle or copper glass, and then you can consume in the morning 1 or 2 glasses. That will really help you to balances all the doshas of your body. Start your day with a glass of water, preferably the warm water, because it flush out your toxins. It cleans your intestine and it also helps you to ward off many dangerous diseases. The best way to clean your body basically. Also, drink water not as a habit just to quench your thirst. also to replenish and recover. The body has the function, the water has a function to replenish and recover your body. Water hydrates your muscles and tissue. It replenishes the essential salts which you lose during your sweating or during your workout time. So try to consume water at regular intervals rather than gulping too much of water at one go, or not having for 3-4 hours and then having again a glass of water. So try to consume, preferably every hour you consume a glass of water and sit and drink water. So drink slowly, drink smartly, drink enough, because water is a universal solvent. It really helps you to keep the pH of your blood normal and also avoids any kind of digestion or acidity issues in you. So I hope you will develop this art of drinking water and get the maximum benefit out of it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would suggest you to subscribe right now, because there are many more health videos going to come which might benefit you in some or the other way in your lifestyle. So don't wait, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, any doubts, any particular topic to be asked about, please post in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.